In part 1 of servicing wheel bearing seals, we talked about how they are able to withstand countless heat cycles. This time, we'll cover some installation tips, plus how to detect seal failure. Next. A seal must always be installed so that the sealing lip is facing the fluid to be sealed. That's because the lip is made so that pressure applied to it from the wet side of the seal will increase the pressure it applies to the shaft. If the seal is installed backward, pressure acting on the wrong side of the lip will cause it to lift from the shaft, resulting in leakage. Some seals are designed for a specific rotation. Directional seals may have small diagonal ridges near the lip. These ridges act as miniature screw threads to help divert fluid away from the lip as the shaft turns. Some seals are engineered with a sine wave in the lip that resonates a pattern as the shaft turns. This helps squeeze the lip, push pump oil away from it, and reduce leakage. Once the seal is out, check the surfaces of the hub and spindle where the lip rides for damage. Minor scratches or corrosion can often be removed with an emery cloth, but if you can catch a fingernail in the groove after polishing the shaft with the emery cloth, the groove is too deep and unacceptable, so replacement becomes necessary. Check the seal itself to determine the cause of the failure. If the seal is hardened or worn, it's simply a victim of age. If the lip of the seal is extremely soft and swollen, it may be a victim of non-compatible lubricants. If the seal is relatively new, it may have been incorrectly installed. Installation failures include torn lips, dents from improper installation tools, misalignment, burr damage, and a missing garter spring. So be sure to also check for signs of heat damage. Next, make sure you have the correct seal. Check the fit on the shaft and in the housing. Before installing the seal, lubricate the lip with whatever fluid it's going to work in. If the seal is installed dry, the lip will overheat as soon as the shaft starts turning. Use a seal installer to tap the new seal in place. If the seal must be installed over a rough part of the shaft to position it where it belongs, wrap masking tape around the rough areas to prevent seal damage. Don't hammer directly on the seal and never use a punch or drift to install it. Be sure to start the seal in the bore squarely and also drive it in squarely. Generally, the seal should be tapped in until it is flush. There are some exceptions, so it's a good idea to check the depth before the old seal is removed. I'm Mary DellaValle, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.